I was just always hell bent on getting a 10K a month, right? And then what happened was I got to a certain point where I started focusing on the work so much that when I got to the milestone, it didn't even matter. It's like it didn't even resonate that, oh, you just hit your milestone, right? But besides that, I told y'all that I was going to give y'all some game on getting into Navy Federal and how to get some funding inside of Navy Federal. And I never made that class. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick little mini class right here inside of this story and teach y'all exactly what you need to do when it comes to Navy Federal. All right, so one of the things that you want to realize is that Navy Federal Credit Union is a relationship-based bank, right? So not only do they look at your credit score, but they also take in consideration the kind of relationship you have with them. How many deposits? Do you have direct deposit? How long have you been banking with them? The more of a relationship you have with them, the more likely they are to give you funding. Credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, all of that good stuff, it's going to be based upon your credit score, more so your relationship with Navy Federal. All right, so one of the first things that you need to do is you need to get into Navy Federal, right? If you don't have any affiliations with the military and stuff like that, that's fine, right? You can still get into Navy Federal. This is how you do it. You literally just call them up, let them know, hey, look, I had a great grandpop. He was in World War I. Matter of fact, the Civil War. I don't even know which war, right? But grandpop done passed. We don't have any of his documentation, but I know he served. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Boom. They're going to let you right in. Don't let nobody pump fake you. Don't let nobody charge you to get in the Navy Federal. Literally, just do that. Tell them it has to be an immediate relative, so it can't be an uncle or aunt or anything like that. They can give you their access code and get you in, but when you call and say you have a relative that was in and they passed, it must be a close relative. When I say close, it got to be a mom, dad, brother, or sister, something like that, okay? Can't be an uncle or aunt. So one of the things I forgot to talk about was why you need to get into Navy Federal. Navy Federal is a smaller bank, right, that is notorious for giving out the bag, right? I'm talking about limits of 18, 20, 25,000. I've seen people come in and get more money than me, right? I'm teaching them what to do and they getting more money than me. The lowest line I've ever seen somebody get was around $6,000, right? And they was pissed off because a lot of people be getting a lot of money from Navy Federal. And this is a good place to start because, you want to go to Amex, you want to go to Chase, but they're typically not going to give you larger lines of credit off rip. Navy Federal will, and then when you actually handle that and take care of that credit, other banks are going to see that, and now they're going to be more likely to give you funding and larger limits, okay? So, before we get into exactly which card to apply for and how to start really building your relationship with Navy Federal, it's important for you to understand which credit bureau or which credit reporting agency they pull from. And that is TransUnion. On the personal side, Navy Federal is only going to be checking your TransUnion score. So if you have Credit Karma, you can pop open your Credit Karma right now. Go look at your score. Make sure you don't have any derogatory remarks, any collections. You have less than 30% utilization, and you don't have any more than 4 inquiries, right? If that is what your Credit Karma credit health is looking like, you are set to go, okay? You are set to go. So now you need to make sure that your credit score is at least a 680 credit score, okay? On TransUnion. Now that we know where they pull from, how to get in, what our score needs to be, now we need to know what do we do once we get inside, right? What do we do once we get inside? We start building our relationship, nurturing a relationship, making them feel good. We doing direct deposit. You want to take $50, deposit it into your checking account. You want to take $50 more, deposit it into your savings account. 90% of people just open up accounts and they don't open up a savings account. So this is going to show that you more serious than 90% of the other people who actually got an account here. Even the old veterans that have been here, they don't got no savings account. They got checking accounts. So you ahead of the curve, right? And they like, okay, they checking you out. Oh, he into me. So this is why you want to build that relationship with them. So you want to go ahead and make those deposits, set up direct deposit if you can, and you want to wait 30 days, right? If you're a brand new member to Navy Federal, you want to wait 30 days. And if you want to take it a step further, 15 days in, I opened up a business account, right? I opened up a business checking account. Did we do a savings too, Dom? At Navy? Business savings? Business savings account as well at Navy Federal, right? Now we got this deep relationship with them. And then 30 days in, you want to apply for the Green Cash Rewards Card. And how do you apply? How do you go about this? I'm going to tell you that next. Recommend you filling out a pre-approval application on Navy Federal, either through the app or you can go right ahead on the computer, type in Navy Federal pre-qualification and see what you qualify for. But if you're brand new, you never had any cards with Navy Federal, we looking for the Green Cash Rewards Card. Now, literally, guys, I made about $800 in cash back in the month of August just using it on my regular expenses, right? All of my business, everything that I'm doing, I'm using it through Navy Federal. And I'm making tons of money back to be able to do fun stuff for my family, but for free. Right? For free. Now, you want to apply for this card between 2 and 3 a.m. at night. Okay? The reason being is because only a computer, AI, is going to be judging you, right? They're going to see your credit score. They're going to see your income. They're going to see what you're paying in expenses. And they're going to approve you or not. It's not going to be somebody that's having a bad day or they just ain't feeling good. Now, when it comes to filling out your application, I'm going to just say put at least $70K. Fill it out how you normally would, right? It really don't matter. They just want to see that you have a job and that you have a good credit score. If you want the real sauce on filling out the applications and all that, then you're going to need to DM me to get access to one of my courses. I got a Navy Federal hack class. That class shows you how to actually go get in the Navy Federal, how to get approved for your cards, how to fill out your applications, how to open up your business account, how to also go get a $75,000 car loan so that you can get 2 cars, start your Toro business, and bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down. So if you want that, you can DM me for that. I don't even offer that a la carte. Like, you can't go on my website or in my link tree and see that. You would have to hit me up to get that. So if you need that, it's $100. You can hit me up. I'll give it to you. Bless you with it. Whatever you need. But yeah, guys. See, what I want to do is I want people to watch this, get their credit together, and go ahead and get funded from Navy Federal, right? Begin building your relationship with Navy Federal. I have tons of people that have been doing this, and it makes me so happy when they get the results, bro. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea how many people are in my inbox like, yo, since I've been talking with you and messing with you and investing my time with you, I've been able to get this. I had a dude the day before my wedding. He got approved for 3 different cards, and he's like, yo, Amex saying that I'm ready. Should I do it? And I'm at the wedding. Then I'm like, yeah, I'm a little tipsy, but hey, do it. He did it, and he got approved, man. You have no idea how much it makes me so happy to see people getting these kind of results and elevating their life. That's what shit is all about. All that shit. So, Mikel Bennett, guys, I'm signing out. Run the play and let me know what's good.